Hello friends, this is Application Design Academy, Introduction to Application Design course. The course consists of two parts, theoretical and practical. In the theoretical part we will be learning all the basics of the application design, which can be applied to any device or platform. Mobile, web, TV, virtual reality, it doesn't really matter, the same rules apply to all of them. We will also be talking about growing demand for application designer job and how it's going to play a key role in future product development. Lastly, we will have a look at the average salaries on the market and why this profession is great for your future. In the practical part, we will be learning one of the popular applications out there called Adobe XD, which is widely used for user interface and user experience design. Once you master every feature of the application, we will be learning all the UI elements, which are absolutely crucial for any application design. You will be learning how to create wireframes, interactive prototype, designing sample applications such as Facebook or Instagram. We will finish the practical part by real-life project, where we will follow the realistic workflow, which covers everything from receiving specifications from client, creating wireframes, interactive prototype, user stories, designing all the necessary views, as well as providing design guide and delivering all the assets to a client. We will also explore possibilities of creating online portfolio where you can present your work to your potential client. This practical part will be done as video screencast, so you can follow along step by step, and every time you need to catch up you just pause the screencast, and once you have everything done the same way as I have it on the screen, you just keep on going. So this way you can learn the workflow of application designer from first hand. The last part of this course will be dedicated to a client, where we will talk about the importance of reaching deadlines, communication, and absence of ego. It doesn't really matter how slow or fast you're gonna progress, you just need to dedicate a time to learn all these design basics so they become second nature to you. Everything you will be learning in this course is practical, so there's nothing really to skip, and all of these skills you will be using on a daily basis as an application designer.